In a world where infrastructure stands as the backbone of progress, one company stands tall, committed to excellence in construction machinery and equipment services. Welcome to the story of Musashi Bangladesh Japan Ltd, MBJ, where the motto, "Serve the best, be the best," isn't just a statement, but a way of life. Musashi Bangladesh Japan Ltd was established in 2017 as a fully Japanese subsidiary company driven by a vision to provide top-class products and services in the construction industry in Bangladesh. As a venture of the esteemed Japanese company named Global Company, MBJ brings decades of expertise to the heart of Bangladesh. Amidst the rhythm of progress, Musashi Bangladesh Japan Ltd is actively engaged in several ongoing projects, each a testament to our unwavering commitment to excellence. Musashi Bangladesh Japan supplied equipment, steel plates, generators, manpower, so many other supplies, and also equipment maintenance support to MRT Line 1 depot. MRT Line 5 will be the third line of the Dhaka Metro Rail system. MBJ supplied equipment, generators, manpower, so many other supplies, and also equipment maintenance support. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib Railway Bridge is a dual-gauge, double-track railway bridge over the Jamuna River with a length of 4.8 kilometers. MBJ supplied equipment, generators, and equipment spare parts with maintenance support. The Hill Tracks Border Road project is being implemented under the supervision of the Bangladesh Army in 3 hilly districts: Rangamati, Khagrachari, and Bandurban. MBJ supplied a huge volume of hill cutting and excavation types of equipment. Bangladesh's first ever special economic zone, developed by Toa Corporation to introduce the Japan quality in Bangladesh. Japanese Toa Corporation was awarded a contract by Singer Bangladesh Ltd to build a home appliance production factory, a warehouse building, and an office. MBJ supplied equipment, steel plates, generators, manpower, so many other supplies, and also equipment maintenance support. Musashi Bangladesh Japan delivered construction equipment to the Lafarge cement factory located in Sylhet.
At Musashi Bangladesh Japan Ltd, we go beyond mere business. We are proud to be catalyst for Bangladesh's infrastructure growth. As a wholly Japanese-owned company, we not only create jobs, but also prioritize the training and growth of our team. We are breaking the ground in Bangladesh with Musashi Mart, our pioneering e-commerce platform. It offers a huge range of construction heavy equipment, spare parts, accessories, and all kind of online support.
From government initiatives to private ventures, MBJ has left an indelible mark on Bangladesh's landscape. Our dedication to quality and service has earned us the trust of clients and partners alike, making us a preferred choice in the industry. As we look to the future, Musashi Bangladesh Japan Ltd remains steadfast in its commitment to serve the best and be the best. Together, we build not just structures, but a brighter tomorrow for generations to come.
Serve the best! Be the best!